think I've got an adequate channel here for the banding. I cut a strip from this banding, and then I cut the mitered pieces to length, and they're cut to fit, so I put them up to the channel, and if they're not quite the right length, I can shave a little off the miter with a chisel. And that's how I'm sizing the pieces. Come on. Come on, get in there. Okay, that's pretty tight, but it goes. Let me see how this. That goes in there. Now, the last piece is probably the hardest. Looks like it should fit. Yeah, I think that'll go, and the next step then is to put some hide glue in the channel and force all this down in there. It's left a little bit proud until the hot hide glue dries, and then I just take a block plane and level it off.